How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 68 Camaro. It's been all redone and it's original mist blue with white bumblebee stripe on the nose. Super nice car. All original panel car. Car come out of Georgia. See, it's got the chin spoiler on it. Good looking car. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the medium blue interior in it. Really looks nice. Car's got a lot of upgrades. See, it's got the rear spoiler. All the panel fitment and everything on this car is just perfect. The taillight housings have all been replaced. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. Super nice car, guys. Now they did upgrade it with 4-wheel disc brakes. Got a 68 350 in it. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb. It's got your vintage air and heat. Just a super nice car. Front bumper's been replaced. Restoration on this car was done about 5 years ago. Super nice car though, guys. Doors nice and clean. Interior's just like new. Got the factory tack with the Tic-Toc tack in it and the gauge package. Got all your front and rear seat belts. Got the correct staple shifter in it. See how clean the jams all are. Just a super nice car. I tell you, I really like the blue interior. It's not hot in the sun. See, they carpeted the trunk. Did a real nice job. Tell you, I really like the blue interior in this car. Headliner looks real nice. They did do an AM/FM CD stereo. Front and rear speakers. You can see the AC vents. Got the factory gauge package with the correct staple shifter in it. Just a super nice car, guys. Just get in this car, drive it, enjoy it. Go to your shows, cruise around. Fires right up. Good running little 350. It's got 350 turbo trans. Wipers, everything on the car works. Super nice car, guys. This thing's just ready to get in, cruise it, enjoy it. Sounds good out the exhaust. Just got a stock type muffler on it. The backup lights, everything worked just like they should. Tell you, it's just a super nice car, guys. This thing drives down the road beautifully. I drove it home. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.